President Captain Ibrahim Traore, Idi Amin Dada, Muammar Gaddafi, Malcolm X, Martin Luther King, Nelson Mandela, they all have somewhat one commonality. And I'll put it in three aspects. Three things here. There comes a time, in the words of Malcolm X, there will come a time when black people will come together, not because they want a specific thing, but they will come together because they are waking up to the reality that things are not as they seem. Things have been taken away from their lives, from the ground which they step on. There will come a time when it will not be about what they can earn, what they can make, and how they can live. It will be about being done with what is. Two, the narrative that we are seeing with Captain Ibrahim Traore right now is the same thing we saw with Gaddafi a while back. A man arises in this continent, uniting people. Then, this man is labeled a terrorist or other names that they're going to label him, that they have labeled others prior to him. And because they own the medias that reach the masses, this video might not even get to so many people because it's telling truth. They change and twist the narrative to show how bad the said person is. We believe them so vehemently because we have been taught to believe what is by them. Number three, Africa is the wealthiest, not richest, wealthiest continent on this planet. If you don't believe me, ask yourself only one question. Why is it that when one superpower is about to leave a continent, the another one is fighting to own the very place? Another one is fighting with that other one to own the very place by giving us loans, paper money or digital money, but they want what you're stepping on, where you live. Why is that? Because this continent supplies every single mineral that this world needs. All the things that we use are gotten from here. This time, things might not end up the same way they have ended with many other leaders who have come before this. But Africans have to wake up, and we hear people say wake up and we do not understand. Waking up means you have to understand what is actually going on behind closed doors. There is the difference between what you see online, what you see on that television, what you hear on that radio, versus the reality of what is being taken from underneath your feet as you just seated.